Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's episode, bit of a channel update and my old setup. Check out the video. So the main garage area is now painted and more or less cleaned. So that's all my stationary cabinets, workbench, my table saw, the rack for the wood behind me, a cabinet for some tools, you got the scroll saw there, another cabinet here where you've got the air compressor inside and obviously my pillar drill and my handy dandy card for the cyclone system. And that's more or less it. That's what I had in the UK. That's what I've got over here, and for now I only need to organize it, put it somewhere that it will be the reasonable best place for it, at least for now. So I've got a lot more space in my garage now, so I need to utilize it in a smart and reasonable way. At the minute I'm working on plans on how to do that. Obviously I had fantastic plans of having some beautiful cabinets made from birch plywood and all that, but when I went today to my local DIY store and seen the prices of plywood, I decided that I need to find a different way. So at the moment I only need storage, as most of the handheld tools and bits and bobs are in plastic containers in the room next door. And obviously trying to get to them is easier than it would be in brown big boxes, but it's still not very convenient. So I need to figure out some storage solutions for now for my garage. You can go to any DIY store and buy some shelving units and all that, but usually they're pretty crap and they're not that cheap either. So, doing my research, I had a look that MDF is reasonably cheap. It's not my favorite material. MDF creates this really nasty dust and it goes absolutely everywhere. But I think that will have to do for now. It's the cheapest solution for me at present. Obviously, I will have to paint it so it looks nice. Plywood just looks nice. But hey, that's the way to go for me at the moment. I've ordered some lights for the garage and they have arrived. Unfortunately, out of 12 of the lights, LED lights, 4 of them been broken. So now I'm waiting for my supplier to come back to me and, I don't know, send me 4 new ones or something like that. There you go. Unfortunately, never goes to plan, does it? So I'm a little bit on hold with that, but you will hopefully see a video next week of me planning out the lights and putting them up, at least what I will have, but hopefully, you know, by the end of the week that issue will be sorted. So I will have a proper lighting in this garage. I can't wait for that. So yeah, watch this space next week. Okay, so it's time to set up my workshop. As it is, everything is more or less in the middle. And what I'm thinking the wood rack will go on this side, still giving me an access to power sockets at the back, but there are no power sockets on this wall, just over here. So I thought to myself that would be the best place to have a storage area, some sort of storage solutions here, plus obviously the wood rack. But eventually I think I will change it because it's a bit of a bow leg to move around and it's not doing the job I want to do. And obviously I do have more space, like that room next door, where probably I'm going to store all my wood there, apart from the sheet materials and bits and bobs. The main workbench that will go on that wall, with obviously these two that will go on that wall. I've got the main power sockets over there, so that will be my work area. Same with the table saw, that will go over there as well. And then my trusty shop vac will go wherever I please, wherever it needs to go. So let's sort this out and let's see how it looks like. Well, that was a job and a half. Let's carry on with the rest. Woo! Bit of sweat there, guys, but that's my setup for now. It's not too bad at all, and I still got loads of space to do something with it. Obviously, apart from the lights that I need to install, I still got the flooring to sort out, but that will come at a later date, probably in a couple of months' time, when I'm going to get the funds for it, and when I'm actually going to have a better idea of how I want to arrange this workshop. And I hope I'm going to come up with something interesting. As you know, a workshop is an ongoing project really that will be evolving over time with new tools, new ideas, new jigs. And I'm hoping you're going to join me on this adventure of creating this single bay garage into a fully fledged workshop. I sincerely invite you for this journey. But for today, guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.